Nail salons are opening everywhere. So I want you nail salon owners to see this video till the end because I am going to ease up the nail appointment booking process for you. So imagine that you have shared a template to all your customers on WhatsApp like this. They like the thing that they have read over here. Now they want to book an appointment. So you have given them the option of book appointment as you have done that. Now one bot is automatically asking all the questions for booking the appointment. Like the first question, what's the name? So my name is new user, so I'm going to enter new user right here. As soon as now I've given my name, it says great new user, please share me your phone number. So I will enter my phone number towards this bot right here. I've shared my phone number, my name. Now after sharing the details, it's asking which service I want to book the appointment for. I want to get acrylic extensions in the nail salon. So I'm going to send this answer. As I've done that, now what date and time do you want the booking to be done? So my preferred date is on Saturday, August 1st, 2026. I've given the date. Now the time. Which time do I want to book this appointment on? So I'm going to get another question for the time. I will select the slot of 5 to 8 right here. Shared my slot as well. Now you will see automatically I will receive the message that your appointment has been booked successfully and here are the details. My name is new user. This was my phone number. Acrylic extensions is the service that I want. Date is on 1st of August 2026 from 5 to 8 p.m. Thank you for choosing Lux Nail Salon. So now you might be wondering, you need a person to send all the messages. No, you just need the setup that you can see on the screen, and you can create this setup for your nail salon business after seeing this video with me. You don't have to be a technical person or have a higher degree in computer science in order to create this amazing WhatsApp chatbot. You just need one tool and all your work is done. So without wasting any time, let me show you how you can create this amazing WhatsApp chatbot for booking the nail appointments in your business with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. So let's move on with this video. So now to create this amazing setup, the WhatsApp chatbot I'm using to manage the WhatsApp business account of my nail salon with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. So you should start using this amazing WhatsApp management tool for today itself in order to create this amazing WhatsApp chatbot, guys. It's a small investment and you will get this amazing tool and you can create this amazing WhatsApp chatbot and other many details and other things using Pabbly Chatflow. So now if you're planning to purchase their yearly or one-time plans and before purchasing you want to test how Pabbly Chatflow is and how it is going to work, sign up for free. From here you will receive 100 free credits. Using the credits you can test out the features of Pabbly Chatflow. Okay, now if you're planning to purchase their yearly or lifetime plan after that, then you can use my code to get additional discounts on top of the existing ones. The code that I'm going to give you on the left side of my screen. Okay, I have already logged into my Pabbly Chatflow account and I have created this bot. Now I'm just going to get you through the bot that I have created. Now I have first created the trigger and in the trigger I've selected as template selected. Using Pabbly Chatflow I have created this amazing template for my nail salon that is going to look like this towards my customer in their phone, and I will be sharing this template to my customers. And I want that in the template that I have created, I have added this button of book appointment. Now first, if you want to learn how you can create the template for your business, check out the template video link added in the description section where we have taught you how you can create the template from scratch for yourself. Okay, now over here I have created this template and selected over here in the trigger. In the template I have added a button of book appointment. As soon as someone clicks on this book appointment button, the first question is forwarded towards that person using the action node of ask question right here. The question says, hi, thanks for choosing Lux Nail Salon. Let's get our appointment booked. What's your full name? So first I'm collecting the data of the name. Now this is a question, right? I have to save the answer somewhere. What if I tell you can save the answer to this question inside Pabbly Chatflow itself? Now inside Pabbly Chatflow, we have the feature of this contact custom fields and settings. You can create your own contact custom fields and select that field in this question. I've created one in the name of full name where the full name will be saved. So the answer to this question will be saved in this field right here. So the answer to this question was what? new user, so that new user was saved inside this contact custom field. Okay, now what will be the reply format? It will be a text reply. Number of attempts will be 1, and if the format that we have selected and the answer that is given by the customer is not equal, they will receive this validation message. Second question is create dollar full name. Now what is this dollar full name? Now I received the name. I want this bot should look personalized instead of AI used. So what I am going to do is, I want that the new user was submitted by the customer, that name should be entered right here to give a personalized touch. How you can do that? Enter the name of your contact custom field in which the name is saved. Enter that and just add a dollar sign in front. The data will be fetched from the contact custom field and added in this message. Please enter your phone number. I've created a contact custom field of contact number and the contact will be saved there. Format is any. Next, for the service, I have created the question, what service would you like to book? These are the 3 services. Selected category, selected format text, number of attempt 1, validation message is an error. Now after selecting the name, phone number and the category, now I want the customer should select the date and time of the appointment booking. Now we have this note inside our messages section of date and time. Drag it and drop it right here, under which first we have to select the mode of the date and time, whether you want to collect date only or with the time also. So for the nail appointment booking, I have to collect the time as well. So I've selected the mode as date and time. Message content is going to be the message like this that has been forwarded. I have selected as please select your preferred date and time slot. I've entered it right here. Okay. Now next after that is button label. Now 2 sets of questions is going to be forwarded if you're selecting date and time both. So first the date will be collected. Second, the slot will be collected. So you have to name the buttons, select date, select slot. So these buttons you have to name it from this section right here. Next, number of days in a week the booking can be done. All the days I take the booking from the customer. So from Sunday till Saturday I've taken all the days right here. Number of days in advance, the booking can be made 5 days in advance. Okay, not more than that. After that, if there are any dates, unavailable dates, you can select that date from this section right here. I have 2 slots only in my business. One is from 1 to 4, other one is from 5 to 8. Okay, and these are the slots that I've entered, 2 slots, and both of the time is selected in 24-hour time zone. Okay. After selecting that, in what fields the date and time should be saved. So appointment date and appointment time are the 2 contact custom fields which I've created. Slot availability. So if all the slots are booked for the 5 advanced days, this message of sorry, all the appointment slots are completely booked is going to be forwarded to them. You can edit it as well. Okay. Now the date and time slot setup is also done. Now I've collected all the required details I wanted, the name, phone number, the service as well as the date and time. Now I want to send them a final thank you message that your appointment has been successfully booked. If I'll scroll down, I've entered this final message with all the details like name, phone number, service, so that they can confirm everything, what is right and what's not right. So I've entered all the details and said that thank you for booking the appointment. We are excited to pamper your nails. Okay. So I have created this bot just like this. Now if you want the shareable link of the bot to use it for your own nail salon, check out the flow link in the description section below. Now toggle the button on and save this bot from here, and you have your own nail salon booking appointment collection bot for your business. If you have any questions or doubts related to this bot and its functionalities, comment down below. I will reply to all your queries. I already showed you how the bot is actually going to work in the beginning of the video. So if you have any questions or doubts related to that as well, do comment down below. So this was it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching.
Not just this WhatsApp automation, you can use Pabbly Chatflow for different WhatsApp use cases as well. If you want to know about the different pricing plans of Pabbly Chatflow, you can check out this link given over here on the screen. And if you want to email us or ask any queries, you can email us on sales@pabbly.com. If you have any questions or doubts, comment down below. I will reply to all the queries as soon as possible. Subscribe to our channel and hit the like button. Thank you so much for watching.